Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Robinson again, and this time we're going to learn how to make a copy of a Google Slides assignment. So let's get going. Remember, if you need help with your homework, there's Dial a Teacher Homework Helpline at 212 777 3380. Monday to Thursday, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Give them a call. They're very nice people. Remember, you can watch my study videos on YouTube. My channel name is Dan Robinson, PKMS. Subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. Write us a comment. I do write back. I have a video that's coming out soon, PKMS Math Prep 20. Check out a commercial. You can tweet me at DRobMath1. Don't forget to watch our show Math Time on Tuesdays at 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Optimum Cablevision, only in Peekskill on channel 15. All right, let's get going. So let's show you what you got to do. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto a Google Chrome browser. So let's get that out of the way. So let's go live and actually go to my student account where I've been assigned a homework. So I'll go to these three here and these 9 boxes there and click on Google Classroom so I can see my assignment. So student Rob has an assignment that's due tomorrow at 8 a.m. So let's click on it. It says watch the videos, copy the notes, vocabulary, examples into your notebook. Don't forget to summarize the videos. Read your unit 5.5 to page 215, number 20. So answer the Google slide as well. So there's a Google slide attached. So I see it down there. So let me click on that. So here's my Google slide. And I'm ready to type in it. So notice right here is where it says enter the text. So I'm trying to type my answer, but it won't let me type. How come? Well, if you look over here, it says view only. So it's in view only mode. So what does that mean? Well, you can't do anything to answer the question. So you really need to go to file and make a copy of this document for yourself so you'll have a copy for your own records. So I'm going to make a copy of, I recommend the entire presentation because usually I have more than one screen. Sometimes I have one or selected screen if it's just one. So I'll make a copy of this. So I'll put it in my drive and it's okay. So now it's making a copy for me. So now I have a copy for myself. I can change the name if I want to. Rob's copy of homework. So now let me enter some text to answer this question. Notice I can highlight it now, and now I can say yes or no. So it says I can type right in there. So yes, x equals 3, and I can write an explanation of that. And so now I've answered the question. I'm allowed to type in there as much as I want. So now I'm ready to submit this to Dr. Robinson so he can grade it for me. So let's share this and let's get this done. So let's see, I want to share this to get it done. I'll click done. So it's there. So I got it with myself. So it's in my Google Drive. So now let me go back to my homework assignment. So where is it? Okay, here's my homework assignment. So let's get rid of that. That shouldn't be there. So I want to turn it in. Before I turn it in, let me add it in there from my Google Drive. So I just made it. There it is, Rob's copy of the homework. So I click on that and insert it. And there's my Rob's copy of the homework assignment. You can double click on it in case you want to make changes to it. That's if you don't want to make changes, it's okay. So I think this is fine. So let me X that out. X out a couple of these because I have too many. So there it is in my Google uh, Drive. And there's the other things that I was supposed to read, the PDFs. So all I got to do is click turn it in, and I am done and wait for Dr. Rob to give me 100 for my homework assignment. So that's basically all you have to do for copying a Google slide. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation of working with how to make a Google copy, the slide of Google Slides. So remember, if you want to study with me or a copy of worksheet, write me, drobinson@peekskillschools.org. I'll be glad to send you some more information. So how to make a copy of a Google assignment. So I hope it was easy and I hope you understood. All right, I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.